Hello everyone, I am Nidhi, your friend and coach, and I welcome you all to my channel English with Nidhi. Starting from this video, we will cover selected poems from class 10th and 12th of CBSE English book. In this video, we will cover the poem Fire and Ice by the poet Robert Frost. Let's do a quick read of the poem before we further dive into the video.
Fire and ice. Some say the world will end in fire, some say in ice. From what I have tasted of desire, I hold with those who favor fire. But if it had to perish twice, I think I know enough of hate to know that for destruction ice is also great and would suffice. Robert Frost.
Before moving on further, let's know about the poet. His full name, Robert Lee Frost. Birth, 26th March 1874 in San Francisco, California. Death, 29th January 1963 in Boston, USA. Occupation, famous American poet and playwright. His notable works include A Boy's Will, North of Boston, New Hampshire. His notable awards include Pulitzer Prize in Poetry and Congressional Gold Medal. He was also named as Poet Laureate of Vermont on 26 July 1961. Moving on, let's take a quick view on some words from the poem and their meanings. Number 1 is perish, which means to die. Number 2 is suffice, which means to be sufficient. Number 3 is desire, which means to wish or yearn for.
Moving on, let's cover the summary and explanation of the poem. The poem Fire and Ice is a symbolic one, where fire represents desire, greed, or lust. The more you would try to satisfy it, the more it grows, while ice represents hatred, coldness, and rigidity, where you become insensitive, incompassionate, and indifferent towards others' feelings. Stanza 1. Some say the world will end in fire, some say in ice. From what I have tasted of desire, I hold with those who favor fire. These lines suggest that there are two groups of people who have two different predictions or views or ideas on how the world will end. If it will end by fire or will it be destroyed by ice. He further says that if someone asks him, he would say that he stands with fire, because fire here represents desire, and as much as he has learned about it and the intense yearning for material things, it is one of those emotions that is highly destructible. The more they have, the more they want. This intense desire to have more and more of things is highly destructive. Stanza 2. But if it had to perish twice, I think I know enough of hate to say that for destruction, ice is also great and would suffice. In the stanza, the poet says that if the world had to end twice, ice, that is hatred, would be as destructive and damaging as fire, that is extreme and yearning desire. In short, the self-destructive extreme emotions of hate and desire will equally lead to the destruction of world and the human race. Frost says that the world will end one way or the another, by fire or by ice, if we do not stop and reflect on ourselves now. By fire, the destruction would be rapid, while by ice, the destruction might be slow, but it would be for sure. And if we don't overcome and overpower our self-destructive emotions now, our end would be rather near. Moving on, let's cover the rhyme scheme and other poetic devices of the poem. The rhyme scheme of the poem is ABA, ABC, BCB or ABAA, ABA, BA. The poetic devices used in the poem are: number 1. Fire, which is a symbol of greed, cruelty, lust and fury. Number 2. Ice, it is a symbol of indifference, insensitivity, jealousy and rigidity. Number 2. Imagery, we are all able to visualize things that are said in the poem. Number 3. Personification, fire and ice being non-living yet are very much capable of destroying things and lives. Number 4. Alliteration, F sound in favor fire and W sound in world will. Number 5. Metaphor, fire and ice are metaphors for desire and hatred. The central theme or message of the poem is: the world will end one way or the other because of the jealousy and hatred that has started to grow so much among people. Moving on, let's cover a few important multiple choice questions from the poem. Question number 1. Who is the poet of the poem Fire and Ice? A. Sylvia Plath, B. W.B. Yeats, C. Robert Frost, D. Robert Brown. And the correct answer is C. Robert Frost. Question number 2. Why do a group of people say that the world will end in ice? A. Because love among people is increasing fast. B. Because hatred among people is increasing fast. C. Because lust among people is increasing fast. D. None of these. And the correct answer is B. Because hatred among people is increasing fast. Question number 3. Ice is the symbol of A. Love, B. Lust, C. Hatred, D. Desire. And the correct answer is option C. Hatred. Question number 4. Fire is the symbol of A. Jealousy, B. Lust and desire, C. Rigidity or D. Revolution. And the correct answer is lust and desire. Question number 5. Rhyme scheme of the poem is option number A. A, B, A, A, B, C, B, C, B. Option number B. A, B, A, B, C, B, C, B. Option number C. A, B, A, B, A, B, A. Option number D. Both A and B. And the correct answer is option number D. Both A and B. Question number 6. Fire and ice have been compared with A. Body hormones, B. Natural disaster, C. Waterfall and volcano, D. Self-destructing human emotions. And the correct answer is option number D. Self-destructing human emotions. Question number 7. The meaning of suffice with respect to poem is A. Be sufficient, B. Success, C. To be a successor, D. None of these. And the correct answer is A. Be sufficient. Question number 8. The meaning of perist with respect to poem is option number A. Live, B. Born, C. Die, D. Illness. And the correct answer is C. Die. Question number 9. Where has Frost used personification in the poem? Option A. Ice, B. Fire, C. Earth's surface or D. Both A and B. And the correct answer is both A and B. Question number 10. What is the moral of the poem? A. Fire and ice are dangerous. B. Take control of your emotions or else they would control and harm you. C. Emotions must be expressed. Or D. None of these. And the correct answer is Option number B, take control of your emotions or else they would control and harm you. So that's it for the video today. Let's quickly summarize the things we covered so far in the poem. Number 1, we read the poem. Number 2, we studied the brief introduction to the poet wherein we learned about his name, date and place of birth, date and place of death, his occupation, his notable works and awards, and his achievements. Number 3, we covered the difficult words and their meanings. 4, stanza-wise summary and explanation. Number 5, rhyme scheme. 6, poetic devices. 7, central theme or message or idea of the poem. And number 8, we did about 10 MCQs from the poem. Try answering the MCQ by yourself and comment down the number of questions you answered correctly. I'll be back with yet another poem in the next video. Till then, take care and study hard. Also, like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such contents and press the bell icon to never miss an update. See you soon. Thank you.